Hey everyone, Harry from Tactical Edge Hobbies again, coming at you with another magazine sort of maintenance slash fixing video. Today we're going to be focusing on the striker mag. Last video we went through the two-stage magazines with the O-ring around the base. Today we're going to be focusing on the striker valve on the back. I have a striker valve here at the moment which is leaking through the top gasket up here. It is a common issue that happens with mags. There's essentially two sort of fixes for it. The most common fix that people generally try is they grab their valve key and they just see if they can tighten it back up. The second fix that people generally go for is taking it out, cleaning it, putting it back in, maybe replacing an O-ring or two if required. So essentially, got to make sure that I degas my magazine before I actually use it, which is just by pushing the back of the striker valve there. And with my valve key, I can just simply undo him. There we go. And it should just come out just like so. Essentially, we have 3 O-rings on the actual striker valve itself. So if I just give him a quick wipe down, because there's a little bit of dirt on it. And these O-rings are very dry, and that's why it is leaking. Give a quick wipe down, clean all the old dirt off, some fresh silicone on the O-rings. Don't need a crazy amount, probably a little bit too much. Just enough so that the O-rings are covered completely in silicone oil, just like so. And all I need to do is pop him straight down the bottom there and essentially just tighten it back in. You do have to be careful when you are tightening valves in, as if you just sort of try and keep turning and turning it. I have seen it happen before where people have snapped the back end of the valve off. You should just sort of get to a nice point where the valve will stop, and then just like so, all done. When I chuck some gas in it and test it, which I don't have on me at the table at the moment, however, this striker valve should be all good, sealed. You don't have to necessarily, I guess, service the valves and stuff on a regular sort of basis, but every now and again it is always good to pull the valves out, check if there's any dirt or anything on them, or if they're dry. If so, re-lubricate them, put them back in the magazine, and that's sort of how you can prolong the life of all of your O-rings and your magazines, so that you're not always having to buy new valves, new O-rings, and essentially cost a bunch of money on something that takes 2 minutes to sort of look in. I'll see you guys next time. The next video is going to be doing the filler valve on the bottom, so stay tuned. See you later.